When you see notifications silenced in messages on an iPhone, it simply means the person you're texting has a focus mode enabled. Here's what that means and what you can do about it. 1. What does notifications silenced mean? If you see a message saying, "Name has notifications silenced," it means they have "Do Not Disturb" or another focus mode turned on. You can still send them a message, but they might not see it right away because their notifications are muted. Sometimes you'll see an option to notify anyway, which lets you bypass their focus mode if it's urgent. 2. How to check and manage your own focus mode. Open Settings and scroll down to Focus. Here, you'll see different modes like Do Not Disturb, Sleep, Work, or any custom ones you've created. If focus status is enabled at the bottom, your contacts will see that your notifications are silenced. You can turn this off if you don't want others to know when you have a focus mode on. 3. What if someone else has notifications silenced? If you see this message when texting someone, it just means they're busy or have muted notifications for now. They'll still receive your message, but they may not respond right away. You can choose to notify anyway if it's something urgent. This feature is just a way for people to manage their notifications and reduce distractions. Now you know what it means and how to control it. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.